Okay, these are the balsa repaired blades and covered with yellow tape, as you can see. 3mm screws, nylon on the inside, and they sheared. One of them sheared yesterday, actually, that one, on a ground strike. The shaft was cut short, and I put a 4mm shaft adapter and an 11x6 Grabner cam prop that I had for years in the props box. It's quite windy, it's quite windy today, so I'm gonna give it a go and take up from the ground, I think. Or maybe not. I think I'm gonna make a wider on the carriage. That's the receiver antennas there. This on the carriage is a bit wider than the stock one. Well, it's a stock one, but I made it wider and put bigger wheels, so the distance between the ground and the prop shaft remains the same, about 18 centimeters. That's important because if we reduce it, then the rotor disc won't have enough positive incidence to take up from the ground, and it'll take ages to take off. See, the rotors, once they want to go already. Let's go. You can feel it moving. Landing I didn't intend. It's going backwards. Okay, the best thing to stop the rotor is to tilt it forward like this. It's a bit too windy, really. I'm lucky I didn't crash it. It must have landed hard on the landing gear, because I can see that wheel there is a bit bent. So I'm gonna call it a day for now. I can tell also that the rotor is vibrating, and I think it's because all the blades are held in place with 2 screws, but the one that's sheared off is not. I just put it back in, but the top bit is missing, so I can't really fasten it and tight it. So that's making the rotor out of balance somehow. Because yesterday, when all of them tied, it was flying fine, no vibration. I really would like to fly again. I really would like to fly again. Disgusting. Too much. Let's give it another go. Oh, the rotor is really vibrating badly. Shaking a lot. I'm gonna land. That works every time. Yeah, I think it is because this blade is not bolted down in both places. You see that one is broken there. The other ones are fine. It's got to be there. So I can't see any damage anywhere. Not now anyway. Okay. Thanks for watching. We'll come back to it some other time.